am here way up high in the hot air balloon. Can you see down some people? We're having so much fun. Hello Culture Eater, so I am taking you along on a very special media event tonight. It's the beginning of the International Jazz Festival of Montreal, and we are going to go in that hot air balloon. It is organized by HENDRICK'S GIN. They have a whole sensory experience ready for us, like the hot air balloon called the E.L.E.V.A.T.U.M, and we are going to see a C.O.R.G.A.N, which is an organ. Keys are made out of cucumber, and we will also taste a gin that is not sold right now anywhere for the next few months, and no one else has tasted it before tonight outside of the UK. We'll be the first ones to taste it, so come along and let's check it out, and we'll have fun up in the balloon, and we'll check out the Jazz Fest briefly as well. There's the hot air balloon we're gonna go up in. Going up 44.5 cucumbers. Now, are those regular cucumbers or English cucumbers? If only the tickets were in real gold.
Oh,
but
let's verify.
Are they?
Oh yes,
they are.
Oh Bennett, this is most exciting.
Is it?
God, isn't it? Well, let me entice you to follow me with these.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Let me proceed with the most exquisite creature.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
E.L.E.V.A.T.U.M has been kind to you.
Very kind.
You are the holder of a rare and enchanted golden ticket.
Yes, I am.
Indeed, real gold.
Real gold.
Welcome to the unusual world of HENDRICK'S GIN. Follow me. Allow me to regale you with some interesting facts about our most wondrous HENDRICK'S GIN.
Thank you.
May I interest you into our most refreshing HENDRICK'S Gin and Tonic. It's oddly infused with cucumber and rose.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
So we have our very first little lovely gin and tonic teacup to enjoy. A little refreshment before I flight up in the hot air balloon. And I am about to have my fortune read as well by this lovely psychic lady. We're going up. Oh my God, we're in the balloon.
I need a picture.
They're like sparrows.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, let's do it.
Hello everyone, I am here way up high in the hot air balloon. Can you see down some people? We're having so much fun. Have you been in a hot air balloon before? Let me know if you've been in a hot air balloon, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for any new videos to come with this guy maybe.
I'm sorry, man. Please limit the amount of hairspray that you use while riding the HENDRICK'S E.L.E.V.A.T.U.M.
Why?
Otherwise you won't have a head left.
So I just came out of the hot air balloon ride, and they specifically make it go up 44.5 cucumbers tall because of the cucumber and rose flavors in the Hendrick's Gin. So, you know, we didn't like actually fly over, but we still got to go high up a bit. It was my first time, and it's really exciting and exhilarating. So kind of makes me want to take a ride one day. This is the special gin that will be secret gin that's not available yet to the public.
So mysterious.
The Orbium.
Which is?
Brand new Hendrick's premium gin, 3 extra essences added, and for your enjoyment.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I hope you guys really enjoyed coming along with us at this Hendrick's Gin event. It was a really great time and fun evening. I hope that you really enjoyed it. Let me know if you are a gin fan. If not, what is your favorite alcohol? And please do like this video, and I will see you soon. And always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. Mwah! Bye.